Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1994 GMC Yukon two-door super rare truck. What makes this even rarer is the original owner ordered this with a diesel in it. It's got some extras too. It's got some American Racing aluminum wheels. Sitting on like brand new Uniroyal tires. Gibson stainless steel exhaust. Custom LED taillights. No tow package on here, but this truck is rated for 7,000 pound tow capacity. It's pretty substantial for a little truck like this. We also have wheel flares, custom chrome door handles, smoked rain guards, custom grille up front, tubular side steps by Truck Champ. Laredos are LT 285 75 R16s. Custom grill up front. Doors just open a little bit. Beautiful gate, no rust back here at all. It's got a custom alarm too, custom stereo. Sorry about the beep. 2 brand new batteries also. Runs and drives fantastic. 126,815 miles. Super nice dash. It's got an Alpine stereo in it with Bluetooth. We have the original owner's manuals, buckets, center console, obviously 4-wheel drive. It's got a custom 8-ball shifter here too. Power locks, power windows, power mirrors, power latch release, front release, overhead console. Truck's loaded. All weather mats too. Super clean. Nice comfortable cloth seats. The Gibson exhaust sounds really nice. I love the tailgate back here too, rather than barn doors. See, there's no rust back here at all. Really nice and clean. LED taillights are so bright, responsive. Got a custom box back here too. Go for 12s, maybe 15s. Definitely rocks. Common saggy headliner here and there. Not a big deal. This side too. Sounds nice because it's an exhaust. Could be kind of a cool flat tow vehicle for someone with an RV. Really spacious interior. This seat folds down to this release button. Really comfortable to drive. Very original under the hood. Again, like I said, 2 brand new batteries. These motors are very torquey. The other battery. That's nice. Gonna take you for a quick ride. The wheel flares have like a stainless nuts on them. Really nice. This is the case. This is for the radio. It's detachable case. Pretty cool. These all sound real nice. Super torquey too. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also visit our website, too. I got about 150 photos you can see on there. Smash that subscribe button. Thanks a lot.